The goldfinch, a small and vibrant songbird, is known for its striking yellow plumage, accented by black wings and a distinctive black cap on its head. Found across North America and parts of Europe, these birds thrive in open woodlands, gardens, and fields. Their cheerful, melodic songs are not only pleasing to the ear but also serve as a means of communication, especially during the breeding season. Goldfinches are social creatures, often seen in flocks, foraging together for seeds from plants like thistles and sunflowers. One of their unique traits is their molting process. They undergo a complete molt twice a year, changing their plumage to adapt to seasonal changes. Unlike many birds, goldfinches breed later in the summer, timing their nesting to coincide with the peak availability of seeds. These resilient birds have adapted well to urban environments where they can often be spotted at bird feeders. Their vibrant colors and delightful songs make them a favorite among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Overall, goldfinches are not just beautiful. They play a significant role in their ecosystems by aiding in seed dispersal and contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats.